When it comes to off-road driving, traction in any condition is a must. No matter if you're driving on dusty, dirty roads, clawing over rocks, or wading through mud. Drivers want zero chance of slipping, sliding, or slowly losing traction on any surface they face. Since tires are the four pieces of rubber that connect you to the road, this means traction at every turn is a must. We'll tell you how Hankook Tires' Dynapro XT provides off-road and winter traction no matter the conditions of the terrain. Next.
Hankook Tire is a growing leader in the global tire market, leveraging investments in technology, manufacturing, and marketing to deliver high-quality, reliable products that are safer for consumers and the environment. For more information about Hankook's products, go to hankooktire.com.
As the winter months approach and snowfall is set to blanket streets across the northern U.S., the need for traction in the elements is critical. Off-road traction combined with snow performance is a 1-2 punch when it comes to finding a tire built to perform in all terrains. Plus, if it looks aggressive, that's a plus too. For traction in whatever element your customer might face, Hankook Tires' Dynapro XT, the company's first rugged terrain tire, has you covered. The Dynapro XT features design characteristics that allow light trucks from SUVs to pickups and everything in between to tackle whatever terrain in any type of weather. First, let's take a look at its tread pattern. The tire's symmetrical tread pattern with polygonal center blocks and shoulder blocks give the tread blocks rigid edges. This allows the tire to grip the road surface and maintain traction and handling in snow, slush, sleet, and wet conditions. Zigzag grooves between the tread blocks aid in traction in snow and wet. These grooves help to evacuate water and keep stones and mud out of the tread surface. V-shaped lateral sipes bite the surface for additional snow grip and snow-on-snow traction. With a 3-peak mountain snowflake certification, there's no question that the Dynapro XT has demonstrated traction and performance in severe snow conditions. In independent third-party tests, the tire's handling and grip goes unmatched compared to its competitors. According to Hankook, test results showed that the tire outshined its competitors in off-road and traction capabilities. Test results lauded the Dynapro's XT's ability to maintain excellent traction on a variety of surfaces and maneuver in and out of deep tire paths. For off-roaders that take to the trail in rain, shine, or snow, nothing gets in the way of the Hankook Dynapro XT. Thanks for watching.
Hankook Tire is a growing leader in the global tire market, leveraging investments in technology, manufacturing, and marketing to deliver high-quality, reliable products that are safer for consumers and the environment. For more information about Hankook's products, go to hankooktire.com.